Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and enabling connectivity. Make sure your iPhone is updated and that the car advertises wireless CarPlay or supports Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi. Turn the ignition to accessory or park so the head unit is active, then open settings on your iPhone and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, keep the phone near the car's console. This immediate setup saves time and lets pairing begin without cables, which is required for the next connection step. You now pair the devices. First, set the head unit to Bluetooth pairing or wireless CarPlay mode. Consult the menu if needed. On your iPhone, open Bluetooth, find the car's name, and tap to pair. Confirm any PINs shown on both screens and accept pairing requests. Once Bluetooth connects, the car and phone will negotiate a Wi-Fi link for CarPlay. Make sure you accept prompts that allow CarPlay when your phone is locked. After approval, the CarPlay interface should load on the vehicle display. You finish by configuring Auto Connect and testing functionality. On the car unit, or in iPhone settings General CarPlay, set this vehicle to connect automatically so you won't need cables later. If it fails, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment, then forget the device on Bluetooth and repair. Make sure personal hotspot and VPNs are off, and keep the phone within the cabin for consistent signal. If problems persist, check the car maker's wireless CarPlay firmware updates or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.